We're back for another day at the races, Nashville Super Speedway. We're in the trucks, C-fixed. We're actually about to head to the grid. I forgot to start the recording. Here are the qualifying results. Second slowest car that attempted a lap. Number 21 car. 5 people did not attempt a lap. Here we are on the grid. We're gonna actually give it a minute here for everybody to grid up. Okay, we are waiting on 2 cars to grid, but I'm going to point something out that was missed when I forgot to turn on the video. Got a new fuel overlay here. It's the average of the last 10 laps of fuel. The minimum usage and the maximum usage, so I guess the least used on any given lap, the most used on any given lap. Looks like over here we got about 60 laps of fuel. Been having some pit road woes, although they've mostly been to do with the tires. Did map some tire business here. We're rolling off. Anyway, long story short, we are the 21 car out of 21 here.
Line up on the inside. The road is closed. Catch up 20. Job.
I would like to just have a good run all the laps, and not have a pit road woe that ruins the race, like I have done the last 2 times that I've done a pit stop race. It is how many laps here? 40 laps. So we actually don't strictly need to pit for fuel, but there's a good chance we're gonna want tires if there's a caution.
Get ready. Going green.
Let's actually pay attention for the start here.
Pace cars in.
Big checkup.
Green, green, green. Car outside.
Alright, we are underway. 2x2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2.
Hold your line.
Pretty checked up here.
Clear.
Glad not to get run over.
Hold your line. You're in the middle.
Guy's gonna throw it 3 wide while people are checked up.
2 wide. Clear inside.
You gotta love the top 10 cars who don't qualify and then pull shit like that in the beginning. Gotta get back to 8th on the first lap. Okay, here we go. Cycled out to 18th. Tad hot on entry there. A couple cars just chilling behind. Looking.
Inside.
I am just dreadfully slow on this track, in this car.
Clear, clear. Car inside. Clear, clear. Inside. Still there.
Don't really need to be crowding them.
Still there. Clear inside.
Roughing up the apron.
You've got damage on the right side.
That's disappointing. And everybody's pulling away because I'm just so embarrassingly slow.
Did a 30.605. That was your fastest lap
Full
of the session.
second slower than the
You're leading
leader.
on the car in front. The gap is 1.1 seconds. You've got damage on the right side.
Felt like a better corner. Apron there, but otherwise good. Might be, I don't know, before maybe I was getting to the apex too early. And then it was hurting. If I tried, then I was getting back to the gas too early, and then I would have to like get off the gas and get back on it. So I wasn't tight off the corner. So that felt right. Just don't know if I'm even making up any time though. I guess I did make up time on the gaggle in front of me that last lap, as I should be, considering they're in a gaggle and I'm not. Way too long to get back to the gas there, maybe? Probably too shallow of an entry there. Here we go. Actually getting the momentum off the corner instead of losing it. I overslowed for that corner.
The leader just did a 30.949. Go low, go low. Yellow flag is out. Line up single file.
Big wreck.
Catch up 18. Job.
Oh, I was far enough back to dodge that. Hooligan. Alright. Well, we were looking pretty good. Did we go get tires 13 laps into the race? I'm gonna say yes. We are also all the way in the back, so ¿por qué no? Let's see, the tires. Or fuel, I'd rather have you.
Pit road is now open.
Tires. We got 2 sets. This will be our first half set. We'll still have a set for later. Guess what this could hurt is if we get a caution. I don't think it can hurt that much. I think everybody's gonna pit. This is about the time to do it. We'll also get to see what they're at when we get in there.
Pit box in 10. 5, 3, 2, 1. Right here. We can't fix the damage.
They're not even gonna trifle with the damage. 96 all around on the tires. We're not getting fuel.
Okay, go. Be mindful, you only have one set of tires remaining. Line up single file. Catch up 18. Car.
Okay, I think everybody probably came out about where they were. Because everyone came and got 4 tires. Probably did not need gas. Some people might have filled it up, just, I don't think it would have used up any extra time. They might want the car looser. Probably not the worst idea of all time, but I like the way it is. Slow. Having 4 more gallons of fuel in my car or not, I don't think is going to be the difference between me being the slowest car on the track or not.
1 lap till we go green. Line up on the inside. Catch about 20.
We're gonna go 1 to green right now. We are on the inside lane. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Too dang fast for my own good. Okay, hopefully get a long green run here just for fun. I like fun. Rolling the cautions is not as fun as it could be. Not gonna be a soul behind us. Lied. What? Where'd that guy just come from? That guy just was like, ha, I can prove you wrong instantly.
Get ready. Going green.
Maybe I can stay near the cars long enough to figure out where I'm braking wrong or speeding up late or whatever.
Green, green, green.
Alright, giddy up, we're off to the races.
Car outside.
Cars looked like he wanted to chop down. That would have been a bad idea.
Clear. Car outside.
Ugh. Didn't get up when I had that brief clear.
Still there. Still there. Clear. Outside. Clear. Car outside. Hold your line. Clear outside.
Alright, so we do clear and get up in line. 7 guy in the wall. Guy behind me is almost running me over in the entry to the corner. They look impatient back there.
The leader just did a 30.424.
Drove it in deeper that time. Felt tight towards the exit, but I guess that's maybe what it's supposed to feel like. I don't know. All I know is I didn't get run over for once. Probably late to the gas there. Sparks coming off the wall. Alright, at least we're driving with the other competitors this time.
Just hit the fastest lap. 30.279. Inside.
Oh, he's gone. Goodbye.
Say hi. Still there. Hold your line. Still there. Keep high. Clear, clear.
Wow, that was close. pulling away off the corner. Seems like I just can't quite time it right getting back to the gas. That was better, I think. At least stayed equidistant. Yeah, it feels better. I was going to dive it in that time, so I tried to go high, but ended up overdriving it a little bit. Mr. Palmer.
The leader just did a 30.84.
Grabs a little wall. Glad I didn't get tight on the exit there, right behind him. I do feel like I'm wrapping the corners better. Little apron tap. Drive it out. Yeah, actually getting in this group seems like it might have let me figure something out that I needed to figure out. The takeaway there is, I think, just apexing the corner later. Seems like before I was probably doing it before the center of the corner, and if anything, it's better to do it after the center of the corner. Maybe. I don't know if I'm maybe exaggerating what I'm feeling, but that's the difference I'm noticing. I don't feel like I'm having to like turn twice or anything like that, where I kept doing that before. I feel like I was just apexing the corner early, getting back to the gas early, and then having to try to turn it again on exit to keep it out of the wall. That's not really happening anymore. Of course, as I say that, I knew it was gonna happen. Looks like Kentucky got some wall and was off pace. Good run that time, I think. 16 doing some blocking.
31.202. 10 to go. 10 to go.
I feel like our tires are better than these guys all of a sudden.
Inside. Hold your line. Clear, clear. Outside.
If he blocked me that time, he was going to be in the infield.
Still there. Stay low.
Had a huge
Still
momentum.
there.
It's tight in the corner though there.
Still
Hurt
there.
my exit. That's a shame. I was on my way to being able to 2-for-1 him.
Still there.
Good wrap there.
Hold your line.
It's out there somewhere. Should have him. Nice. All right, well, I definitely figured something out. Some first ever passes. Going from 19th to 17th. News flash. Laps are winding down now. Falling off too much for the best lap to really have any helpful information. These guys up here seem to be ready to do some battle. Losing the guys
Moving
behind.
away from the car behind. The gap is 1 second.
Right on cue, spotter, right on
5 to
cue.
go.
Only 5 to
Going
go.
well, big man.
Short race. Just feel like I'm starting to get the hang of it here. And we are almost out of time.
The leader just did a 31.425.
I think I might have heated up the front a little bit. Yeah, it's not turning that good right there. Move the brakes back a little, maybe. Well, not maybe. We did do it. Seemed better. These cars in the windshield are getting bigger. We are running out of time.
2 laps to go.
Slowed them a little bit more there. Somebody's gonna have to get crazy and slow everybody up. Nice corner there. Felt good at least. Get down the track here.
White flag. 1 to go.
Alright. Does this thing go any faster? Look at all that green on the scoreboard this time. It's like I saved my tires from not knowing how to drive, and then I learned how to drive, and now I have better tires than everybody. Look at me go. Oh, didn't want to dump him. Well, that's what happens when you have to make up on everything on one lap. But hey, a safe race.
Checker flags out.
It's got some lightning going on outside. Probably a good time for this race to end. Well, 17th, not what I had hoped for. Well, I mean, what was I hoping for? 21 car. Had no speed. Let's get out of here. I did make up some positions. Let's go back to lap 1. Actually, let's look at the tires before I forget. 86.92. Yeah, probably could have done better on the balance there. Slowing myself down, pushing the front through the corner. Chase. Hold the clip. Alright. Pretty clean race. I think a lot of it's going to be those little bumps and baps and loops. Probably that, right? Here we go. 8. Rush. They got stuck together there. I don't think he fully meant to drive through them. It almost seemed like it was netcode and then magnets. 7 car with his moment. He made up a bunch of those positions again. I think that's the last time I'm going to watch the 20 brush the wall. I think one of these... Oh, there he goes. Grass. And an impact. And again. All deep. The slightest tap. And the victory celebration, the one taking home the victory for Delaware, it appears. Alright. Good race. Good race. So let's go out of here and go check out the results. Here's the rundown. 56 safety rating gained after another 0x and hopping over that 4 threshold. 31 iRating loss on a free fall since hitting the 2000 mark. Let's see, Pennsylvania, Illinois, Mid-South. We got Canada and Virginia's rounding out the top 5. An entry from Central Eastern Europe. I believe that name was in our race earlier. Germany rounding out the field. Atlantic, we did see that earlier too. Not sure if it was the same driver. We ran a 30.4. Let's go back up here. 30.3 from the guy that won. 30.27, best lap of the race. So yeah, I do think I actually finally figured that out at the end, but too little too late. And that's probably all we got to say about that. Most people with 0x's. Good clean race, 1 caution. Thanks for riding along. See you next time.